Okay, it's another weird news. Nothing is more shocking, guys, than a man who would change his name every year to what? To avoid paying child support. What the freaking heck? If you ask me, it's not just weird, but low. Okay, so a volunteer was trying to express his love for artworks by, cleaning the Museum of Art in Taiwan. And I saw this dirty mirror. I was like, oh, let me clean this mirror. What the heck? It's dirty. You know what? It was an artwork. So basically, it was a mirror with dust on a simple wooden board with smudge in the center. And it was supposed to represent cultural awareness of middle-class society. Sorry for the laugh. So the artist named it Inverted Syntax 16. Guys, I don't understand it. But if you do, please break down the art for me in the comment section. Lastly on my list, there's a scientist that's, created a drug that can make a man live up to 150. I don't know why that is special. Because old age is not funny. Just live to a normal old age and die. Why do you want to live to 150? So if you know that 150 is not too long for you, do well to go get the drugs. Once again, we've come to the end of the weird news. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and let us see you next week. Bye.